Hey traders, TG Watkins here. Let's see, it is February 27th when I'm recording this. It's the close from Monday, and I just got back from my trip from Hawaii. So this was last night. We took a red eye home. So I saw this, then we went to the airport, and now I'm home. So it's been a long night. And yeah, this is the sun setting. I don't know who these people are, but it just looked like a really great picture. So you know what? It was a great week out there just recharging the batteries. This is what we need to do when we're stock traders because the market can be a little bit crazy. And you know what? It worked out. It was good timing. I basically took off a week when the market started pulling back. And you know what? Now we're going to see if things are going to be working out. So make sure that you guys always take a little bit of time for you, some R&R, and you know, make sure everyone around you is taken care of. But it starts with you. As they say, always put your oxygen mask on first so that you can take care of others better. All right, so what we're looking at and through here, I find this very interesting. Basically, like you can see, it pretty much went down to the 618 retracement. I was at least looking for the 50% retracement, and I was looking for the daily 50. All of that happened, and then my understanding was some, I guess, inflation news or data came out, and that's what kind of punched price below the daily 50. But I made a couple videos or newsletters or something like that, and when I saw that this was below the 50, but then I said, well, if it can stay above the 200, we're dealing with a trampoline move. Price below the 50, but the Moxie indicator above 0. I just kind of noted that. You know, we still are looking for confirmation. I also noted that we had price pretty extended, you know, big gap here between price and the moving average. So yeah, I don't see any setup yet on the hourly, but I am noting that price is sitting right on the hour, the 15-minute 50 with the Moxie indicator above 0. So yeah, let's see tomorrow and if the next week or this week if that's going to do something. I could still see some chops, so I'm not going to be putting too much weight into it. But you know, if this Fibonacci retracement works out, that's going to be pretty darn amazing. Also, remember we have one more day until February is in the books, and look at this monthly chart. I'll show you the weekly too, just so we have it there. But you know, this is something I've been kind of talking about, a little bit of a line in the sand. We now have 1 month. Assuming that tomorrow closes above the monthly 10, we now have our first full month bar above the monthly 10. And, you know, hey, that doesn't mean it has to work, but that is definitely a beginning or start or possibilities. And I think it's something to be aware of. We have seen the SOXX do that. We saw the Dow finally do that. You know, we're looking for the IWM and the NASDAQ, and we have the SPY 1 full month over the monthly 10. So do be aware of that. And yeah, we'll get on to that. If you look here on the weekly chart, we can also see, you know, some progress here. You know, we've been talking about this little pullback right in through here, and what do we have? Now we have a pullback to the weekly 30. You could also say the weekly 21. We have the 8 over the 21. You know, if this kind of just keeps holding up, it's looking decent. And then don't forget, we have a bear bull market update that I'm going to be doing. It's free, so you guys can check it out on March 1st. So start looking around for the advertisements, and we'll see you there. Thanks again. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.